You don't need to know how to write music or know how to sing before you can start creating music with AI. I found a new AI tool that will write the music for you, generate the music for you, generate even the music video for you. And this AI tool, all you just need to do, just put the type of music you want to generate, and the AI tool will write the music lyrics. In fact, the AI tool is going to handle everything for you. And you can remove music backgrounds and everything, edit anything you think you can do with as a musician, or you don't know how to do music and you want to be starting creating music with AI. This AI is going to undo everything for you. So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to show you guys this new AI tool I just found that you can use to create music by yourself. You don't need to be an artist. You don't know how to. You don't need to know how to sing. You don't need to know how to write music. The AI is going to undo everything for you. So without wasting much of your time, let me take you guys to my phone screen and show you guys how this AI works and how you can use this AI to start generating music. So let's get started. So let's get started. This is the AI tool we'll be using today to generate our music. Now, as you can see, it says AI music. It's a AI music generator. So this AI tool, you can generate music with it, and this music you can be posting them on all social media platforms like your distribution company. As you can see, it's a 100% royalty free. Say goodbye to copyright strike or license fees. So with this AI tool, you can generate music and you will own the music because you have the license according to the AI. So this is the AI tool. As you can see, say AI music generate, and if you look up here, you are going to see AI music generate, AI lyrics generate, AI music tools. And when you come to AI music tools, you are going to see AI splits, AI voice remover. So if you have any music and you want to remove the voice so that it will remain the instrumental, this AI tool can also do it. AI music mastering. So all these people doing music production, they can use this AI song video generator. So all these things, you are going to see a lot of things. As you can see, AI rap song generate, AI photo to music, AI. You can see a lot of them here. So now when you come down here, you can see them here again. AI music generator, lyrics mastering tools. So when you come down, let's for example, when you click on tools here, you are going to see a lot of different type of tools. As you can see, all these things, this platform offer all these things. So if you are into music or you want to start music, you can get started with all this. So now let's start by writing our own music. For example, we don't have music and want to write music. We don't have the music. Let's come to AI lyrics generator. As you can see, AI music lyrics generate. We click on it. Now when we click on this AI music generate lyrics, so it's going to bring us to interface like this, as you can see. So for example, you don't know how to write music, you don't know how to sing, and you want to start afresh to generate your own music. So all you just need to do, just put a title here. So for example, I'll write my love, or I want it to be love music. I will write my love and input your lyrics here. So I don't have lyrics and I want to generate the lyrics. All I just need to do, if you have idea how you want the music should be, you can write it here. I will say, let me say, Aisha, my love for you. Let me just use something simple like this, Aisha, my love for you. Then I'll come here to select more settings. As you can see, more settings here. I want it to be happily or anything you just want. So let me choose happy or sad or romantic. So let's put it on romantic. So far it's a love music, voice and verse and chorus, and pop. Let me leave it in pop. If you want it to be hip hop, electronic, folk, anyone you want, rap. Let me put it rap, R&B, or let's just put it anyone, pop. Or let's just put it anyone. We are just testing it, and language should be English. Then the next thing, I'll click on generate now. Now when you click on generate now, as you can see, it's generating, loading the lyrics here by your right hand side. As you can see, it's loading the lyrics here. So you just have to give it some minutes and it's going to generate the lyrics for you. If you don't have the lyrics, and if you have lyrics, you can also start generating music direct. And if you have lyrics, you want the AI to analyze it for you, you can also do the same thing. Now as you can see, it has generated the lyrics for us here. Everything is here right now. All the lyrics is here, so you can go through it. If there's anything you want to edit, you can copy it and edit it. Now let's assume it has generated the lyrics for us. All we need to do, just copy these lyrics. So we just copy these lyrics like this. Let's copy from the intro, and we are going to turn these lyrics to music. Let's copy it like this. I'm copying everything. Let's copy everything. And after we copy it, copy, the next thing we are going to come down back and we are going to come down here. As you can see where it say AI music generator. So we click on it and we are going to, if you bring it to own lyrics, as you can see own lyrics here, you bring it to own lyrics. If you have your own lyrics, yes, we have our own lyrics, we have already generated the lyrics. So all we need to do is just put the lyrics here. We are going to paste it here. And after pasting the lyrics, as you can see the lyrics here, everything about the lyrics is here. So you can also upload audio. If you have audio or you have a voice you record, you can also upload it here. If you want to turn it to music, you can also just click on this upload. And after that, the next thing, just come down here. Now you come down here, it says style. So which style do you want to use? Or you can put your own style here. You can write your music style here. So you can also select anyone you wish to do. You can select here, as you can see. You can select different type here. So we are going for R&B. So let's select R&B. So R&B, this is the one we want. R&B, direct R&B. Then we can also select like multiple, or we can select up to 2 to 3. Now after we select that, you can also come down here and you put your music title. So I will say My Love. That is our title. Then after that, your voice, gender, which voice do you want to use? Do you want to use male or female? So if you are a man, you can use male. If you are female, you can use woman. So let me use male. And your result, 1 or 2. So as you can see, I'm going to put it in 2. So then advanced feature, you click on this advanced feature and you increase this to like 60 something, so that it's going to be at more advanced. Then after that, you can just click on generate music below here. As you can see, generate music. Now when you click on generate music, it's going to start generating your music. In less than 1 minute, it's going to turn this everything into music for you, and you guys are going to see it. Now as you can see, it's turning it into music. And after you turn it into music, I'm also going to show you how you can separate music from voice, how you can separate the voice, how you can separate the beat. In fact, anything you want to do on this AI tool, if you generate the music, you can remove the voice and use the instrumental. You can also generate instrumental on this platform. You can generate beat, music beat on this platform. Yes, so let's wait for it to load. I just found this platform and I found this one interesting. And to get access to this platform, all you need to do, just head over to the description of this video or the comment section of this video. You are going to see a link, and the first link you see is going to take you down to where you are going to get access to this platform and use the platform to generate music for yourself. So go to the description of this video or the comment section of this video. You are going to see a link that will give you access to this platform, and you start using the platform to be generating music. You just register and you start using the platform. So let's allow the music to generate. Let's play it.
Moonlight slipping through the blinds, I share you're the peace I find. I hear your name in the quiet of the room, soft as a record playing old school tunes. Your smile got a way of slowing down time, like honey on the edge of a midnight line.
Now you see the music. Just I don't want to play everything. As you can see, this is the music. As you see it, R&B. This is how R&B music is, traditional R&B music. This is how it sounds. So you guys have seen how the you guys have seen how the music sound. So anyone you prefer among of the two, you can just click on this download here. As you can see, this 3 dots here, you click on it and you're going to say download. So you can download it MP3, you can download it wave of the wave, or you can download it anyone. As you can see, you can also generate the cover image here. The cover image, you can change it here. As you can see, commercial license. As you can see, commercial license here. So just click on this download, and the music is going to start downloading to your phone or to your laptop. Anyone you are using, you can use your phone, you can use your laptop to do this, and the music is going to download. Now the music has downloaded successful. As you can see the music here, so I can decide to play it right now on my phone. So let me show you how you are going to remove beat from this music. Maybe you have a music and you want to remove the beat, you want to use only the instrumental. Just come down here and you are going to see AI Sing. This is AI Singing Generator, AI music video. If you want to do AI music video, you are going to see that here. Let me bring this down so that you are going to see what I'm saying. Now you see, you come down to AI music. This is the one we use right now. This is the one we first used. which is AI music lyrics generator, AI music cover. If you want to cover any music, you can do it here. AI singing voice generator. If you want to generate voice for your own song, you can generate your voice here using your own voice. You can also do that. I'm going to make video about that, and AI music video also, as you can see. So right now we want to do AI vocal remover. We want to remove the voice from the music we just generate right now. Just click on AI voice remover, and it's going to bring us to this place. Now this is the music we generate. No, this is not the music. Now you can just upload the music right here, as you can see, or from your music. We just click on from your music, and this is the music we just generate right now. So you can just click on it. So we click on confirm. Now as you can see, so we can just click on separate. As you can see, if you want to remove the AI voice, this is the voice here, AI voice, you can just click on it and remove it. As you can see, if you want to split it, you want to split your music, the voice should go somewhere, the drum, all those things, you can click here like this. And if you want to all dictated steams also, you can do it here. So now let's first look at AI voice remover. We click on split. So it's going to remove the voice right now, and it will separate the voice from the beat. It will separate the voice from the beat. Just give it some minutes, and it's doing that right now. You can also do to split it, as you can see, to split the music, everything, so that everything will go separately. You can also do that here. You just come down here and you click on it, and it's going to split it. But right now it's working on something, so let's allow it to work on, and we are going to test that also. And there is other things you can also do. Now it has removed the beat from the music. Let me play it so that you are going to see only the instrumental, only the beat. You are going to see it. Now this is it here. Now let's assume you want only the voice, that is the instrumental, which is the first one. You can just download it here. If you want only the voice, you can also download it here. Anyone you want. You can also download both the two to your phone. Now after that, maybe you want to split it, you can come to split, then you can click on this split to split everything, so that you are going to have the beat one side, you are going to have everything one side. So now before I end this video, let me also show you more things you can do about this AI tool. As you can see, AI music mastering, you can do AI audio to HMD, all these things. You can click on more tools. You are going to see different type of tools which you can be using on this AI tool. As you can see, AI rap generator, if you want to generate rap song, AI audio, photos to music. If you have photo and you want to turn it to music, you can also do that. A lot of things here about this AI tool. So on our next video, we are going to also talk about that. So a lot of things about this AI tool. In our next video, we're also going to talk about that. Like as you can see, DJ music beat maker, you can make beat, you can make instrumental, any type of instrumental, songwriting, anything, you can do it on this platform. You can see a lot of them. I cannot talk about it all finish, but you can go and check it out. Anyone you wish to check, you want to create, you can go there and you go and check it out. So now, before you tell me you want to generate music on this platform, you want to use it, they are telling you to pay. Let me explain one thing to you. On this platform, you are going to see, before you can be able to generate music, you need to upgrade your package. Before you can be able to generate music on this platform, you need to upgrade. Right now, this is what I'm using, 1 month subscription. As you can see, their 1 month subscription is going for only $14.99 for a month, and you will be generating up to 100 music per month. 100 music, because they are going to give you 200 credit, and every music you are generating costs you 2 credit. So if you are generating music per month, you are going to be generating up to 100 music per month, and that is not a small music. 100 music per month, that is not a small music. And you can also generate you can go to yearly plan, you can pay once also if you wish. But right now, the one I'm using, this is the one I'm using. This is the one I'm using. This is the monthly one I'm using. As you can see, this is the monthly one. If you want the professional one, any one you want, you can decide to choose. But I'm using this one right now to get my own music. So you can decide to use anyone. So I'm subscribing for this one right now. So you need to upgrade before you can be able to generate music or do other things on this platform. And it is just a small money for you to upgrade. So this is how this platform works.